Hey little learners, welcome to our channel. In this video, we bring you 50 unique multiple choice questions focusing on the correct use of something, somebody and somewhere. These questions will help you improve your grammar and vocabulary in an engaging way. It is perfect for parents, teachers and students who want to practice English in a simple and interactive format. So let's learn and have fun together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning videos. First question. Dash is hiding under the bed. Answer is somebody. Somebody is hiding under the bed. I lost my pencil dash in the classroom. Answer is somewhere. I lost my pencil somewhere in the classroom. Can you give me dash to eat? Something. Can you give me something to eat? I saw dash running in the park. Answer is somebody. I saw somebody running in the park. There is dash in my bag. Answer is something. There is something in my bag. He went dash for his vacation. Answer is somewhere. He went somewhere for his vacation. Dash knocked on the door. Answer is somebody. Somebody knocked on the door. I heard dash making noise in the kitchen. Something. I heard something making noise in the kitchen. We will go dash fun this weekend. Somewhere. We will go somewhere fun this weekend. She found dash shiny on the road. Something. She found something shiny on the road. There is dash behind the curtain. Somebody. There is somebody behind the curtain. Mom kept my toy dash safe. Somewhere. Mom kept my toy somewhere safe. I need dash to help me with my homework. Somebody. I need somebody to help me with my homework. My brother saw dash moving in the grass. Something. My brother saw something moving in the grass. Dad took us dash new for dinner. Somewhere. Dad took us somewhere new for dinner. I can hear dash outside the door. Somebody. I can hear somebody outside the door. She bought dash special for her friend. Something. She bought something special for her friend. Let's play dash different today. Something. Let's play something different today. We are going dash exciting tomorrow. Somewhere. We are going somewhere exciting tomorrow. There was dash in my shoe. Something. There was something in my shoe. I met dash famous yesterday. Somebody. I met somebody famous yesterday. We heard dash strange in the attic. Something. We heard something strange in the attic. My teacher kept my book dash. Somewhere. My teacher kept my book somewhere. He needs dash to play with. Somebody. He needs somebody to play with. I want to eat dash sweet. Something. I want to eat something sweet. Can we go dash different this time? Somewhere. Can we go somewhere different this time? Dash is calling you outside. Somebody. Somebody is calling you outside. There was dash shiny on the ground. Something. There was something shiny on the ground. I left my bag dash in the house. Somewhere. I left my bag somewhere in the house. She gave me dash to hold. Something. She gave me something to hold. Dad saw dash running across the street. Somebody. Dad saw somebody running across the street. I kept my diary dash safe. Somewhere. I kept my diary somewhere safe. Dash stole my eraser. Somebody. Somebody stole my eraser. Mom put dash in the fridge. Something. Mom put something in the fridge. We are going dash fun today. Somewhere. We are going somewhere fun today. I saw dash in the dark. Something. I saw something in the dark. My cat is hiding. Somewhere. My cat is hiding somewhere. Dash left their shoes outside. Somebody. Somebody left their shoes outside. He found a dash in his pocket. Something. He found something in his pocket. They traveled dash for the holidays. Somewhere. They traveled somewhere far for the holidays. I think I lost my key dash. Somewhere. I think I lost my key somewhere. My dog is barking at dash outside. Somebody. My dog is barking at somebody outside. We need a dash to sit and rest. Somewhere. We need somewhere to sit and rest. There is dash in my lunchbox. Something. There is something in my lunchbox. Dash is talking behind the curtain. Somebody. Somebody is talking behind the curtain. She wants to go dash peaceful for a break. Somewhere. She wants to go somewhere peaceful for a break. Can I have dash to drink? Something. Can I have something to drink? I dropped dash on the floor. Something. I dropped something on the floor. He went dash nice for his birthday. Somewhere. He went somewhere nice for his birthday. I want dash to play with. Something. I want something to play with. Did you enjoy these questions? Let us know your score in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.